Hi, you're welcome. This is Mike Akerele, aka Awesome Mike. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can carry out your peer-to-peer or P2P transactions on Bybit. Yes, and I'm also going to be showing you how you can send your crypto token or coins from any exchange to Bybit easily. Alright, so let's get into it. So the first thing you need to do is you go to any exchange that you want to send the coin from. For example, I'm going to be sending out USDT from Binance to Bybit. All right. So, but you go to the exchange that you want to send the coin to. For example, now we want to use Bybit, right, to sell USDT to Naira using their peer-to-peer platform. So I'll need to first come and copy. I'll come to this side here where there is asset, where I'm hovering on here at the right corner bottom here. So I'm going to click on it. So I'll go to deposit. Can you see the deposit? Because I want to send my USDT from Binance down to Bybit. So I'll click on deposit. All right, so you can see all these options here, but the one you are going to choose here is deposit crypto. At the bottom here you can see already have crypto, so deposit there. So click on it. All right, so now I'm going to select USDT because I want to deposit USDT. So I'll click on USDT, and if you can't find it, just click here in the search bar and type whatever coin you want to deposit. So I'm going to click on USDT now. It is in my search history because I've been depositing USDT. So the next thing here you want to do is to select the network, all right, that you want to use. So for me, I will choose BSC BEP20. You can see recently used. That's what I normally use if I want to send from Binance to Bybit. And the reason is because number one, when you are withdrawing USDT from Binance to Bybit, it is free at the moment of making this video, and for some time now Binance has made withdrawal of USDT to be free. You will see it when we get. So I'm going to click on BS. So you can also use any other network here like Polygon, Polygon POS, or if you want to send in Solana coin, you understand. But for the purpose of this video, I will be selecting BEP20 BSC, this one. Okay, so now I will click on. So you can see it's asking me to slide to confirm that I want to copy this address. So I'm going to slide. Then I will click on this place to copy the address, right? Now address, you can see address copy successfully. So now I'm just going to go to Binance. All right, I'm going to go to Binance. Then I will send the amount of, so I'm going to send the amount of USDT I want to convert to Naira. All right, so let's wait for it. Okay, let me just close this. Let me go back. So so if you're on Binance, you come here to your assets. Then I'm going to click on USDT because I want to send USDT to Bybit. All right, so I'm going to click on send. All right, because I want to send this USDT out. Okay, so you can see it's asking me where am I sending it to. Is this send to Binance users or on chain? So I'll click the second one, on chain. This one, on chain withdraw. All right, so okay, I don't need this for now. So I'm going to paste the address on this address bar. All right, then I will click on network to select network. So I'm going to click on BNB Smart Chain BEP20, the one I copy the address from Bybit. So minimum, so let me just send 20 just for the purpose of this video. All right. So you remember what I told you, that network fee is free. Can you see it? 0 USDT, because I'm using BEP20. So I'm going to click on withdraw now. But before then, I'll come here to confirm my address. The address is correct. So I'll click on withdraw. So I confirm the address and network. So you can also confirm here again. Confirm whether the address you are sending to is correct, the amount, right? So I'm going to click on confirm now. So it will take like just in less than 1 minute, it will be ready. So I'm going to confirm the transaction right now. Let's wait for it. All right, so now I've withdrawn this 20 USDT to Bybit. So I'm just going to wait for it to land, and we're going to continue from Bybit. All right guys, so now I'm on Bybit. I'm waiting for the 20 USDT to be deposited. So what I'm going to do is, because I don't want this video to be too long, so what I'm going to do is I will continue the peer-to-peer in the next video. But before then, I will show you once this USDT has been deposited here. All right, so this will be like the part 1 of this walkthrough video. All right, so now to see your USDT once it has been deposited on your your Bybit account, you come to your assets here where I'm hovering on. Click on it, then you are going to refresh. All right, so you can just swipe down, just draw it down like this. That means it has not entered, so you wait for it, you keep on refreshing. All right, then there's another thing I want to tell you here. Once the USDT has been deposited, so you can see here, I'm going to show you, see what is written here. You have one deposit request. Oh yeah, it has entered, so I'm gonna wait for it. Good, it has reflected. So now the last thing you need to do here is that if you want to use the Bybit peer-to-peer platform to convert your USD to Naira, all right, what you need to do is you come here, this transfer button I'm hovering on, so you click on it, because once your USDT has been deposited to your account, it's deposited to unified trading account, this one, instead of the funding account, and you need the funding account to do the peer-to-peer transaction. So I'm going to transfer from unified trading account to funding account. So the first thing you have to do is you click on this switch button here to switch it to, you can see, so we are switching from, so we switched now from funding account to unified trading account, because I want to send the money, this USDT are deposited from unified trading account to funding. So now you can see it is having BTC here, so I'm going to change it to USDT coin now. All right, so just click on it, then you can see this USDT, you can see 20. So I'm going to click on it now. So can you see that? So now he's asking me for the amount of USDT I want to transfer. Then I'm just going to click on maximum here, all right, to select the 20. And if you don't want to select the maximum, just type it, any amount you want to send, then click on confirm button, and then it has been transferred to the funding account. You can see it here, funding account. So now we are ready to do our peer-to-peer transaction, and to do that we just come back to the home page here, all right, then click on peer-to-peer trading button, and it will take us to where we're going to do it. So now I don't want this video to be too long because it's already 9 minutes plus, going to 10 minutes. So I will see you in the next video where I will show you how you can do your peer-to-peer trading easily and convert your USDT to Naira, right, and get it in your local bank account in Nigeria. So I think that's very easy and straightforward. And if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Also, I'll be leaving my Bybit partner partners referral link. Yeah, so using my link, we also give you bonus, welcome bonus. You're going to get welcome bonus plus discount on your trading fees. So of course, it's going to be, of course, I'll also be getting some commission on it for introducing Bybit to you. So it's going to be a win-win for both of us. So make sure you use my partners link. All right, thank you so much, because using that link is also saying thank you and also growing this channel. So thank you very much. See you in the next peer-to-peer video.